In this video, let's talk about how do Tesla wheel spacers work.
Tesla Model Y wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Tesla Model Y wheel spacers can help with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, adaptation of aftermarket wheels, cosmetic changes, better handling, and much more. Tesla Model Y wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment. They allow the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the Tesla Model Y. The life of the Tesla Model Y will be fuller. This gives the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. The use of the Tesla Model Y wheel spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or to upgrade to longer wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel assembly, or other suspension component, improving traction and handling even more. BONOSS Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forging makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This melt has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will deform and endanger driving safety under strong impact. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to improve brake cooling, distributed in a petal shape. These grooves allow the outside cold air to continuously flow inside the wheel spacer as it rotates. The air removes the heat, thus achieving the purpose of FT heat dissipation for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the Tesla Model Y wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Tesla Model Y wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Tesla Model Y wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and have follow more than 66 SGS and TV test report. All BONOSS Tesla Model Y wheel spacer package come complete with all necessary hardware, including new ISO grade 10 wheel nut or ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud to fit your vehicle.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.